Editor. 26. What is the purpose of the reports feature in Servicenow? A. Create and manage incidents. B. Visualize data through charts and tables. C. Automate business processes. D. Design new forms. Answer. B. Visualize data through charts and tables. 27. Which of the following is not a type of report in Servicenow? A. List report. B. Pivot table report. C. Bar chart report. D. Scatter plot report. Answer. D. Scatter plot report. 28. How can you share a report with other users in Servicenow? A. Export the report to PDF. B. Create a dashboard widget for the report. C. Share the report link via email. D. Define report access controls. Answer. D. Define report access controls. 29. What is a dashboard in Servicenow? A. A module for managing user roles. B. A visual representation of data through widgets and reports. C. A tool for designing workflows. D. A section for configuring UI policies. Answer. B. A visual representation of data through widgets and reports. 30. Which widget type allows users to view a summary of data in a dashboard? A. List widget. B. Chart widget. C. Form widget. D. Calendar widget. Answer. B. Chart widget. 31. What is a catalog item in Servicenow? A. A type of report. B. A predefined service or product that users can request. C. A user role. D. A business rule. Answer. B. A predefined service or product that users can request. 32. Which module is used to create and manage catalog items? A. Service catalog. B. Incident management. C. Change management. D. Problem management. Answer. A. Service catalog. 33. How can you automate the fulfillment of catalog items? A. Using a business rule. B. Defining a workflow. C. Configuring a UI policy. D. Creating a data lookup rule. Answer. B. Defining a workflow. 34. What is the function of the order guide in the service catalog? A. Provide a series of catalog items for users to select. B. Manage incidents. C. Automate business rules. D. Design new forms. Answer. A. Provide a series of catalog items for users to select. 35. What is an approval in the context of Servicenow's service catalog? A. A process to request a new catalog item. B. A mechanism to authorize or reject catalog item requests. C. A type of report. D. A widget in a dashboard. Answer. B. A mechanism to authorize or reject catalog item requests. 36. What is the purpose of data import sets in Servicenow? A. Import data from external sources into Servicenow. B. Export data from Servicenow to external systems. C. Create new data tables. D. Define data lookup rules. Answer. A. Import data from external sources into Servicenow. 37. Which tool is used to map and transform data during the import process? A. Data transform map. B. Workflow editor. C. UI policy. D. Report designer. Answer. A. Data transform map. 38. What is a data transformation map? Used for A. Define data import and export settings. B. Map imported data to Servicenow tables. C. Automate background processes. D. Create new catalog items. Answer. B. Map imported data to Servicenow tables. 39. How can you schedule data imports in Servicenow? A. Use the import set scheduler. B. Configure a data lookup rule. C. Define a UI policy. D. Set up a new business rule. Answer. A. Use the import set scheduler. 40. What is the purpose of data lookup rules? A. Schedule data imports. B. Populate fields based on specific conditions. C. Map data between Servicenow and external systems. D. Create new data tables. Answer. B. Populate fields based on specific conditions. 41. What is the purpose of access control rules in Servicenow? A. Define the layout of forms. B. Control access to records and fields based on user roles. C. Manage data imports. D. Create new catalog items. Answer. B. Control access to records and fields based on user roles. 42. What are roles used for in Servicenow? A. Define field options. B. Control permissions and access to features and data. C. Automate business processes. D. Manage user preferences. Answer. B. Control permissions and access to features and data. 43. How can you create a new role in Servicenow? A. Through the user administration module. B. By defining a new access control rule. C. Using the roles module in the system security application. D. In the form designer. Answer. C. Using the roles module in the system security application. 44. What is the purpose of ACLs, access control lists, in Servicenow? A. Define the layout of forms. B. Specify which records and fields a user can access or modify. C. Create new catalog items. D. Automate workflow processes. Answer. B. Specify which records and fields a user can access or modify. 45. Which component is used to manage security settings for Servicenow applications? A. Security operations. B. User administration. C. Access control. D. Workflow editor. Answer. C. Access control. 46. What is the primary purpose of change management in Servicenow? A. Track and manage incidents. B. Control and manage changes to IT infrastructure. C. Automate service catalog requests. D. Create new reports. Answer. B. Control and manage changes to IT infrastructure. 47. In Servicenow, what is an incident used for? A. Record and manage service disruptions. B. Manage changes to IT infrastructure. C. Automate background processes. D. Design new workflows. Answer. A. Record and manage service disruptions. 48. Which of the following is a key component of an incident record in Servicenow? A. Change request. B. Configuration item. C. Service catalog item. D. Data import set. Answer. B. Configuration item. 49. What is the purpose of a change request? A. Track incidents. B. Request and manage changes to IT services or infrastructure. C. Define new catalog items. D. Automate data Imports.